Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear icon. And then select where it says under settings, scroll down and select the display and touch tile. And there should be a dark theme item underneath appearance. You click inside the oval one time to toggle it on, and you can see the dark theme has been enabled. If you click inside of it one more time, it'll gray out and dark mode will be disabled. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.